Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum English Grade 2 Quarter 1 Lesson 3 Day 2. Our topic for today is about note important elements from stories, characters, setting, and events. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. Identify high-frequency words accurately. Note important elements such as characters, setting, and events in a story listened to. Use content-specific words in mathematics, including basic symbols and terminologies. Identify words that replace persons and places. Use vocabulary related to oneself and family. Express ideas about experiences involving family and compose oral text to react to characters, settings, or events in the story listened to. Let us read the words together. The, to, brother, jump, here, to, play, and, father, sister, away, make, run, 3, his, mother, 4, help, yellow, find, was. Be sure to read these words every time you see them. Let's repeat. The, to, brother, jump, here, to, play, and, father, sister, away, make, run, 3, his, mother, 4, help, yellow, find, was. In today's lesson, you will learn about high-frequency words, characters, setting, and events in a story, content-specific words in mathematics, words that replace names, and words related to yourself and your family. Look at the play money on the screen. Money is used to buy things we need like food, clothes, and school supplies. We can also save money for important things in the future. Money helps us pay for what we need and help others too. This time, let us read sentences from the story, The Rainy Day Plans. We will earn from the animals. Gladius will get. Brother will get. Sister will get. The rest will go for school. His father said. How much is this money? Answer, 5,000 pesos. 5,000 pesos. Look at the pictures from the story, The Rainy Day Plans. Which pictures show the people from the story? Which pictures show the places where the story happened? There are people present in a story. A story may happen in different places. Look at sentence number 1. Gladius is happy. He is happy. Who is happy? Answer, Gladius. What word is used instead of his name in the next sentence? Answer, he. Look at sentence number 2. Mother has a bag. She has a bag. Who has a bag? Answer, mother. What word is used instead of her name in the next sentence? Answer, she. Look at sentence number 3. Father came home. He came home. Who came home? Answer, father. What word is used instead of his name in the next sentence? Answer, he. Look at sentence number 4. My sister runs. She runs. Who runs? Answer, my sister. What word is used instead of her name in the next sentence? Answer, she. Look at sentence number 5. The bird rested in the nest. It rested in the nest. What rested in the nest? Answer, the bird. What word is used instead of bird's name in the next sentence? Answer, it. Let us read these words. He, she, and it. Again, he, she, and eat. What do these words do? There are words that can replace names. Replace the names that you will hear in the sentences. Ben is dancing. Ben is dancing. Answer, he. He is dancing. He is dancing. Sandra likes to eat. Sandra likes to eat. Answer, she. She likes to eat. She likes to eat. Sandra and Ben are friends. Sandra and Ben are friends. Answer, they. They. They are friends. They are friends. The dog barks. The dog barks. Answer, it. It barks. It barks. A story usually has characters and settings. There are words that blank naming words. Examples of words that replace names are blank, blank, and blank. Let's answer. A story usually has characters and settings. There are words that replace naming words. Examples of words that replace names are he, she, and they. Fill in the correct words to replace the naming words. Number 1, Sam goes up the hill. Sam goes up the hill. Answer, she. She goes up the hill. She goes up the hill. Number 2, Mr. Ryan plays the piano. Mr. Ryan plays the piano. Answer, he. He plays the piano. He plays the piano. Number 3, Ben bakes cookies. Ben bakes cookies. Answer, he. He bakes cookies. He bakes cookies. Number 4, Sam and Ben want to rest. Sam and Ben want to rest. Answer, they. They want to rest. They want to rest. Number 5, Mother cooks lunch. Mother cooks lunch. Answer, she. She cooks lunch. She cooks lunch. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.